kings and queens, I'm back with another video. I know it's been forever, but we're just gonna get right into it. I'm using the Miele protecting spray. Do not like the nozzle, so I switched to a different type of nozzle just because it sprays more. I don't like that direct type of spray. I also started on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. That's why you see them coils looking gorgeous. As you can see, I did not put a lot of heat protectant in my hair just because when I do put a lot, it makes my hair very greasy. So my hair only works with a very little amount of products. So when I'm stretching out my hair, first I finger detangle my hair, then I use a denim brush just to get all those kinks away. What I'm using is the stretch method to blow dry my hair. I'm using it on cool settings when I'm stretching it, but then when I actually blow dry my hair, it's on high and warm. So now that my hair is stretched out, I'm using this Miele organic, it's like a pomade treatment. I use it mainly on my ends, just use a little drop size, and that just helps my hair not to become so frizzy. My hair really is frizzy at the ends all the time when I straighten my hair. So I'm now using the Tymo. You have seen it on Instagram, you've seen it on Facebook. I know you've seen it everywhere. So I wanted to try it out because I love the results that I saw. The packaging was really good, very organized. Some of them become a little suspect, But what it came with, it had a denim brush, like a small little denim brush. Thought that was really cute. And then it had gloves, like just a pair of gloves. Just for heat, y'all should know. I know it's gonna explain everything. And then also it just came with the Tymo straightener, and we about to get right into this, and clips. Yep, that too. Also, I waited like a day or two for me to straighten my hair. I just didn't want to overheat my hair, especially since I blow dried. So just wanted to give it some breathing room. Alright, so as you can see, this is my first time trying this, so I was trying to get the hang of it. In the beginning, it looked like it was not working. So it got me a little So then I just tried a different way. It helped this way helped for me, actually. because it really did straighten my hair when I did that. Like, you really want to hold the ends of your hair, because if you don't, and you want to do a bigger section, because if you don't, then it will just look like you ain't really doing anything. Like, you need a lot more. It's a faster process compared to straightening your hair. One thing that I can really say about that I like. As you can see, it actually looked right. Yes, girl, you feel me? You feel me? You see the flow? Oh, I'm loving it. As you can see, look at my hair. It came out really soft. It was really flowy. It was really nice. I know my ends are really straight. They didn't really curl it. It's cool, whatever. But now I'm just going to go in with a regular flat iron just to get those roots, because it really didn't straighten my roots like I wanted it to. So we ain't with that. No. Finito. Look at the flow. Look at the flow. Well, now that is the final results, and I love it. I love Tymo because it's very fast. I just hate the fact that I have to go in with the roots, but yeah, I hope you love.